A lot of people cannot confidently raise their hands up because of dark underarm and dark armpit. The last time I made a video, I recommended some roll-ons that you can use in order to help you brighten your dark underarm. And I also promised you guys I was going to show you guys a complete underarm routine, the one that I've been using over the years, and it has been helping me to keep my underarm bright, free of, all this excess hyperpigmentation. I still have a little bit of pigmentation in my underarm, but compared to what it used to be, I can confidently raise my hands up anywhere and also wear sleeveless tops. So if you're suffering from dark underarm, or you're looking for a maintenance routine that you can stick to in order to help you control any form of hyperpigmentation, then this video is for you. On this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my dark underarm routine, like everything that I do in my dark underarm. I'm not going to be keeping anything out, like we don't gatekeep here. I'm going to be showing you guys all the products that I use and how I use them, because some of these whitening roll-ons, if you don't know how to use them properly the right way, they are going to end up giving you terrible rashes or balls in your underarm, especially for those of you that have sensitive skin. So without taking much of your time, let us go straight into it. Now, we're going to be starting with shaving. When it comes to shaving, you want to shave the right way if you want to get rid of your dark underarm, or if you want to prevent dark underarm. You want to be shaving the right way. The first thing you're going to be doing is you need to get a shaving stick that has at least 3 blades, something like this. Sorry, I don't have any to show you guys. I used the last one and I've trashed it, so I don't have any. But this is what I'm talking about, this particular one. You can get any brand of your choice that has 3 blade, but it's okay. You can also get the one that has 2 blade. It will still do the job. Now, where you should pay attention to very well is, do not shave on a dry skin. Do not shave on a dry skin. Like anytime you want to shave your underarm, make sure that the place is clean and make sure you moisturize before you shave. It's going to help you reduce any irritation that will trigger pigmentation in your underarm. Anytime I want to shave, after cleaning, I go with this aloe vera gel, just a little, that will just kind of moisturize the place. Once you apply this, then you can go ahead and shave with your shaving stick, and always shave in the same direction. If you're shaving downward, go downward. If you're shaving upward, maintain upward. Now, the next thing I also do in my underarm routine is I exfoliate. I don't joke with exfoliation. When I shave today, sometimes the same day I shave, I exfoliate the same day. But in some cases, I don't exfoliate the same day. And I will be advising you, in case you have a sensitive skin, do not shave and exfoliate your underarm the same day. You can decide to exfoliate today, and then the following day you can shave. Or you can shave today and then you exfoliate the following day. Whichever works for you is perfectly fine. But just, make sure that you are shaving and you are exfoliating, because these two key things are the foundation of making any other product that you're using in your underarm to work properly. So this is what I use to exfoliate my underarm. I use this Dr. Mena Sugar Alpha Arbutin scrub. This scrub is very nice, guys. I use this both in my underarm, in my body, and even on my face. I've been using this for some time now, and trust me guys, it is very, very good. It's going to help you get rid of any form of hyperpigmentation. All you just need to do is just be consistent. And I exfoliate once or twice in a week. I don't exfoliate every day. Some weeks I go just once, while sometimes I exfoliate twice, depending on how rough my skin feels. But then this is the scrub that I use. I use it together with this glove sponge. Yeah, so in case you don't have a glove sponge, get a glove sponge. It's very, very necessary. This works perfectly well with this glove sponge. This will help you to, get rid of any dead skin cells at the surface level of your underarm. So just make sure that you have a very good scrub. You can get any scrub of your choice, but then this is the one I'm using. Another thing I also use is this Kojie Sand Bar Soap. Make sure you get the original one. It's very, very important. What I normally do is, after shaving, then the following day, I'm able to exfoliate. After exfoliating, then the third day, that's the day after exfoliation, I now apply this Kojie Sand Soap. I just lather it in my palm and I gently massage it in my dark underarm, and I leave it there for some time. and it has really been helping me get rid of any form of pigmentation, guys. So this is the routine I'm using in my dark underarm. Now, another key important routine in your dark underarm is deodorants and roll-ons. The roll-ons that you use in your underarm matters a lot. If you're still using a deodorant that has alcohol in it, as someone that is struggling with dark underarm or pigmentation in their armpits, you need to stop. You need to switch to roll-ons or deodorants that are alcohol free. So I have two roll-ons that I use in my underarm routine. One of the roll-ons I use it in my morning routine. The other one I use it in my night routine. Now this is the first roll-on that I use. This Nivea Pearl and Beauty. Look at it, this particular one. This roll-on contains pearl extract and avocado oil in it. This roll-on is alcohol free, doesn't contain any form of alcohol in it. It is gentle on the skin and is also going to give you 48 hours odor control. And I prefer to use all those whitening or lightening roll-ons in my night routine. And trust me, that's the safest way to go about it. This is what I use in my night routine. I use this Cosmo Pure Elegance roll-on. This is what I use in my night routine. I've been using this for some time now, and trust me, it has been very, very amazing. This Cosmo roll-on comes in different variants. We have the cool breeze, we have the active spot, we also have, I think there's another variant again. What is the name? Blossom pink. Yeah, and this is the fourth one, the pure elegance. For some reasons, I prefer this one. Contains licorice extract, niacinamide, and witch hazel, among other ingredients. If you're using any whitening roll-on or deodorant in your routine, I will advise you to use it in your night routine only. Get a mild roll-on for your morning routine. Trust me, if you are using a whitening roll-on in your underarm every day, especially for prolonged use morning and night, you're going to end up irritating your underarm. And trust me, instead of getting rid of those pigmentation, you will end up making it worse. So get two deodorants. Make sure you have two deodorants. One of the deodorants should be for your morning routine and the other deodorant should be for your night routine. Let me know which of these products you're currently using, and let me know if you're going to be trying any of these products. If you have something like mild, is not too dark, then you're good to go. But it only becomes a concern if it is this dark. Like, it has a way of, lowering your confidence as a lady, as a guy, regardless of the gender that you belong to. Like, you can't comfortably raise your hands up in public. You have to, calculate, look left and right before you're able to lift your hands up, and you can't wear all these sleeveless shirts because of your dark underarm. If you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel. I also made a video and I recommended roll-ons, whitening roll-ons that you can use to get rid of your dark underarm. I'll be putting the link to that video in the description box in case you don't want the Cosmo roll-on. There are other options that I mentioned in that video, so go and watch that video so that you can make your choice. And remember to like this video, guys, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload content like this, you'll be among the first people to be notified. Thank you so much, and see you guys in our next video. Bye.